Hey guys, Ethan here, and today I'm doing a build series intro. This is a mid-70s, early to mid-70s mini bike. I've had this for a while. I've had it for like 6 or 7 years. It's just kind of been in my shed. It's got a 4-stroke 260cc Briggs & Stratton on it, and yeah, we're gonna be doing a little build series on it. I've got fenders for it, chrome front and back I've had. And then I need to buy a clutch and a chain, which those aren't that expensive. Then on this sprocket, it's kind of worn down, as you can see. So I'll probably fix it. They got a little file out the teeth individually, make them like new. It's also got this thing, which is really weird. It's just a contact brake, basically. You just push down on it, it stops. Yeah, it's in pretty good condition. So I'll be doing a series on that. Be expecting that soon. And yeah, so be expecting that. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe.